Good morning all. I Razia Patan from Gnanaji Vidyapit, standard 4th. So students, today we'll going to start unit number first, the largest number and addition. So here I'll show you something. What is the largest number? Largest number किसको बोलते हैं वो that things I'll show you here. Okay. So now see, look at this picture. This picture, this is a phone, right? ये जो picture है वो किसका है? Phone. So the price of the phone is, what was the price of the phone is? The price of the phone is 9,517. 9,517. So in that, how many digits are there? Number of the digits are which one is it? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many digits are there? 4 digits. Now next picture I'll show you. Look at this picture. This is a laptop, correct? This is a laptop. Now what was the price of the laptop? The price of the laptop is 24,990. 24,990. Now we'll find the digit. How many digits are there? So in that, the price of the laptop is equal to 24,919. And how many digits are there? Digits are there. Its price is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many digits are there? 5 digits. Okay. Now next one. Look at this. This is a car. Okay. This is a car. In that car, look, the price of the car, the price of this small car is small. Okay. So price is a 5,56,780 is there. So in that, how many digits are there in this price? So in that, how many digits are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits are there? 6 digits are there. Now next, which is the highest place value for 5-digit number? Which is the, we have to find which is the highest place value for 5-digit number. So 5-digit number are there. For 5-digit number, 10,000 is the highest place value. 10,000 is the highest place value. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. We have to write like that. 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 1s we have to write 6, 10s we have to write 5, 100 we have to write there 4, 1,000 we have to write 3, 10,000 we have to write 2. 10,000. 5-digit numbers. 5-digit number 10,000 is the highest place value. 10,000 है वो क्या है? Highest place value of the 10,000. Okay. Then which is the highest place value of the 6-digit number? 5-digit number में highest place value which one is there? 10,000. Now हमें कौन सा find करना है? We have to find the 6-digit number. So in that 6-digit number is there. So 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs. Correct? So lakhs is the highest place value. Lakhs is the highest place value of the 6-digit number. Lakhs is the highest place value of the 6-digit number. Okay. Now look at this chart. In that chart, lakhs, 1,000 and ones is there. In the ones, here is a 3 groups. Ones, tens and 100. उसको हमने किस में काउंट किया? Ones में. 1,000 is there. 1,000 and 10,000. That called thousands. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. That called lakhs. Okay. So in that, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. A digit place value increase by 10 times. How many times a digit place value increase it? 10 times. How many times? 10 times. As it shift its place value for the right to left. Right से कहाँ जा रहा है? Left. Okay. Now find the place value of the 3 in 1,23,456 is there. Okay. So now let's learn how to find the place value of the digit in the given number. कोई भी नंबर से उसमें से हमें प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. सो हाउ विल फाइंड दैट? वी हैव टू look at here. Now see, find the place value of 3 in 1,23,456 is there. Correct? So what we have to do? We have to draw place value box. First of all, what we have to do? We have to draw place value boxes. Write the digit under their correct place from right to left. राइट टू लेफ्ट में हमें करेक्ट डिजिट लिखने हैं. ठीक है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs is there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs is there. So we have to write first 1 lakhs 23,456. Then we have to find the value of 3. We have to find place value of 3. So identify the place value name of the underlined digit. Which one is the underlined digit is there? 3. Which one is the underlined digit is there? 3 is there. Correct? So we have to write here 1 lakhs 23,456 is there. But the place of value of 3 is, which one is there? 1000. Place value of 3 is 1000 is there. So 3 is the 1000 place. 3 is in which place? 1000 place. Got it? Now calculate the place value, underline the digit by the multiply its corresponding value of the place. So in that 3 is in the 1000 place. 3 is in the 1000 place. So place value of 3 into 1000. So answer is 3000. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 1000. Answer is 3000. The place value of 3 is 1,23,456. So answer is 3000. Got it? Now find the place value of the 5 in 4,56,787. Okay? So in that we have to, first of all we have to write ones. We have to draw the boxes. Ones, tens, 100, 10,000, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Then we have to put that digit. Ones, nines we have to write in the ones place. 8 we have to write in the tens place. 7 we have to write in the 100 place. 6 we have to write in the 1000 place. 5th we have to write in the 10,000 place. 4th we have to write in the lakhs place. Okay, so here digit is a 4,500, 4,056, 4,56,789 is there. Then 5 is in the 10,000 place. 5 कहाँ पे? 10,000 की place पे. Correct? So what we have to do? 5 is in the 10,000 place. So the place value of 5 is 4,56,789 is equal to 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000. Why we have to put here 10,000? Because of the 5 is in the 10,000 place. So answer is the 15,000. The place value of 5 is 15,000. The place value of 5 is 4,56,789 is the 15,000. Got it? So students, look at this and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. You have to write this example in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Okay students, now I'll show you one video. Okay, look at this video.
Read and write large numbers. Hello students, meet Chetan. He is trying to read a number from his math book. He reads the number like this: 6, 7, 9, 8, 1, 2. Doesn't this sound like Chetan is reading digits in a number? Yes, it does. This is because Chetan is reading the digits and not reading the whole number. There is a difference between reading the digits and reading the number. Let's help Chetan learn how to read numbers. All he needs to do is follow some simple steps. The first step is to write the place value of each digit in the number. To do that, we will first place the digits in the place value table from right to left. Now, we have to keep in mind that a number is always read in periods. Do you know what periods are? The digits in large numbers are in groups of 3 or 2 places. These groups are called periods. Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores are the 4 periods in the Indian system of numbers. Now that we know what periods are, let's read the given number period-wise. To read the number period-wise, we start reading from the left. So, we will read period 3 first. Period 3 is 6 lakh. Then we will read period 2. Period 2 is 78,000. Finally, we will read period 1. Period 1 is 912. So, the number can be read as 6,78,912. Chetan can now read the number using periods. But he's confused how to write the number using periods. Let's help Chetan learn how to write large numbers using periods. Similar to reading, we start with writing the place value of each digit. Then we write in periods. Next, we use commas to separate periods. We start from the right and place them like this. Now, Chetan is happy as he can now read and write large numbers using periods. Today, we learned that while reading a number, we place the digits in the place value table. Then we read them in periods from left to right. We follow the same steps while writing large numbers. First, we write the place value of each digit. Then, we use periods and commas to separate periods in a number starting from right to left. That's all for today. Happy learning!
Okay students, so you all are look at that video, correct? Now we'll start worksheet number 1, page number 5, large number place value. So in that place value of large number, a comma is added after each period. Okay, so here 4 periods are there. Period number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in that first period is ones period. In that 100, tens and ones. Ones, tens and 100 is there. Second one 1000 is there. 1000 and 10,000. Third is lakhs is there. Lakhs and 10 lakhs is there. And fourth one is a crore. Okay. So in that we have to increase 10 times. How many times we have to increase? 10 times. For example, ones, tens, that means 10, 100, number 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore. Okay. Now look at this chart. Ones into 10 times, tens, again 10 times, 100, 10 times 1000, 10 times 10,000, again multiply by 10. So 10 times lakhs, 10 times 10 lakhs, and crores are there. Got it? A digit place value increased by 10 times as the shifted place value from right to left, right to left. Got it? Now we'll start worksheet number 2. So students, in that worksheet, large number place value are there. Place value on place names and place value of large numbers. So in that, for example, identify the place names and place value of underline the digit in the following numbers. 2 numbers. Okay. First one is a 1 crore 34,056. 1 crore 34 lakhs 56,789 is it. So what we have to do, write the numbers place value for the value box starting from the right to left. Now in that we have to draw first ones, tens, 100, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. So what we have to write first? 1 crore 34 lakhs 56,789. Okay, now underline word is, which one is that? 5 is there. We have to calculate the place value of the number of the underlined digit by the multiply it with the corresponding value of the place value. So 5 is in the 10,000 place. 5 is in the 10,000 place. So what we have to do? Place value of the 5 is in the 1 crore 34 lakhs 56,718 is 5 multiply 10,000. So answer is 15,000. Answer is 15,000. Second one is the 3 crore 67,200 23,456 is there. 56 is there. So in that we have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. Got it? Now then what we have to do? We have to find the place value of 3. So 3 is in the crore place. 3 is in the crore place. So hence what we have to do? We have to write 3 is in the 3 crores 67 lakhs 23,456 is there. 3 into 1 crore. So answer is 3 crores. Got it? Now we have to start question number first. Identify the place names and place value of the underlined digit in each of the following numbers. That will we have to start. Okay students, so we have to start unit number 4, question number first, worksheet number 2. Worksheet number 2, page number, which one is page is it? 6. Question number first, A1. 35,821 is there. So what we have to do students? First we have to draw the place value. Okay, ones, tens, 1,000, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, and 10,000. What we have to write? 10,000. Okay, what we have to write there? 10,000. Now after that we have to put the digits. We have to write ones, 2 in the 10th place, 8 in the 100 place, 5 is in the 1,000 place, 3 is in the 10,000 place. Now underlined word is, which one is there? 2 is there. Underlined word is a 2. So 2 is what we have to write here? Answer. 2 is in the tens place. Which place is there? 10th place. Okay. So hence the place value of 2 in 35,821 is 2 into 10. 2 into 10. That means is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Okay. Answer is 20. So we have to write 10th place. What we have to write? 10th place. 10th place is equal to 20. Now look at this, everyone. Okay, I hope so your work is complete. Now we will start second one. D1 is there, correct? So in that 15,000. So second number is a 15,672 is there. 15,672 is there. So what we have to do? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. So 0 is in the which place? 1000 place is there. So we have to write the answer. 1000 place is equal to 0. 1000 place is equal to 0. Now see one question. 59,762 is there. And underlined number is a 7. Underlined number is in a 7. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. So 7 is in the 100 place. So what we have to write? Answer. Hundreds place is equal to 700. 100 place is equal to 700. Okay, students. Now your homework is you have to complete the unit number first, worksheet number second, page number 6, question number first. In that you have to complete the question number D, E, F, G and H. This is your homework. Now first you look at this, everyone, and write it down in your notebook. Okay, students, I hope your homework is complete, and you have to complete your homework and send it to me before 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock से पहले आप लोगों को होमवर्क है वो हमें सबमिट करवाना है. ठीक है एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे.